Have you ever had a situation when worsening disease symptoms made it clear that you or your loved one were sick and you were anxious and uncertain about what to do next? If you have, you're among the very many millions that annually suffer with an infectious disease. And because there are often different diseases that have similar symptoms, it's difficult to know which specific disease or variety of diseases are causing the problem. And if you don't know the disease, the appropriate therapy will always be uncertain. Today, it's not easy to precisely determine what disease or combination of diseases are causing the infection. Most diagnostic tests only test for one or just a few diseases, leaving us guessing if the test result is negative. Given the deficiencies in today's diagnostic tools, it's no wonder why confusion and anxiety is common when sickness strikes and precious time is wasted that could have been used to properly treat the disease. And one more thing, do you want to go to the clinic or the hospital when you are sick? I don't. If you don't, you're among the vast majority of consumers and clinicians that want a rapid, accurate, and comprehensive diagnostic test that can be conveniently administered anywhere by anyone at any time, and in a way that the results can be easily transmitted to our doctors. And this is exactly what Grip Molecular is developing. The Grip device would be very easy to use. The outer packaging would have a barcode that can be photographed prior to use to load an app onto any standard mobile device that would display the results. At the time of use, the cartridge is removed from the package and then placed near the cell phone to wirelessly power the cartridge. No batteries, chargers, or wires, or a separate reader would be required. A sample is gathered and then mixed in a solution that would be in a container similar to the one you see here. The container is then capped and then attached to the cartridge and squeezed to inject the solution into the cartridge. And then when the cartridge is brought into proximity with the cell phone, it would automatically display the results. In layman's terms, using simple graphics, let me briefly illustrate how the underlying technology works. Inside the cartridge, there's an integrated circuit that has on its surface 32 distinct biosensors that enables simultaneous detection of a wide range of diseases with one sample. The manufacturing processes have been designed to enable high volume, low cost production. This begins with fabrication of an integrated circuit using standard wafer production technology. Electrodes are then added and a layer of graphene is then applied. Pathogen-specific biological capture molecules are then printed on each graphene film. During use, a single solution sample is added. No multi-step sample prep or other processing is required. Electrical fields are then generated by the electrodes that pull the biomarkers to the sensor surface. This speeds and increases the binding of the pathogen-specific biomarkers to the capture molecules. A concentration correlated electrical signal is then detected and sent directly to the cell phone. Grip has made significant progress towards commercialization of its first product. We have performed extensive laboratory testing of the biosensor that enables the diagnostic testing panels. These experiments have demonstrated its ability to provide lab quality diagnostic results for multiple diseases using one sample in minutes, using a variety of test media, including saliva and nasal secretions. Today, in collaboration with a world-renowned research hospital, performance testing using clinical samples is underway and is expected to yield results in Q2 2023. Additionally, Grip has protected its technology with 5 issued patents, with 14 more currently under review. Grip's underlying technology has also undergone extensive technical diligence that subsequently led to a combined $800,000 of non dilutive grant funding from the U.S. National Institute of Health and the U.S. Biodefense Agency. These activities have positioned the company to initiate product design, development, and manufacturing capabilities that we forecast will set the stage for commercial launch in 2025. By putting lab-grade diagnostics into the hands of the end user, using this device, we intend to transform diagnostics and enhance healthcare. We hope you will join us and support us on this journey.